99.9%. That is how much the cost of processing one invoice drops when you stop doing it manually. The industry processes one invoice for $12, on average, per invoice, every invoice, all month. What you are about to see does it for $0.009. Same invoice, same data, better output, 99.9% less. And if you think that sounds too good to be true, stay with us, because the numbers get even harder to ignore from here. According to the Institute of Finance and Management, 84% of the average AP professional's working day goes to manual tasks. The median cost of that processing at $12 to $21 per invoice, every invoice, compounding at volume. A manual workflow processes 5 invoices per hour. Conventional automation brings that to 30. Mimasa AI processes 380 in that same hour. 76 times faster than manual, with the same team and the same infrastructure. The only thing that changed is the process. Compare that against conventional automation tools at around $2.50 per invoice. This brings that down to $0.009, a further 99.64% reduction on top of what standard automation already delivers. For CA firms, where an efficient professional processes an invoice at an average cost of Rupee 5, this brings that to just 93 paisa, an 81.4% reduction on work already being done by a trained, qualified team. And the 1 to 2% error rate that manual data entry consistently produces, not reduced, eliminated at the source, before a single row is written. This is Mimasa AI, the enterprise agentic AI platform purpose-built to automate the complex, high-volume workflows that have always demanded too much from the people responsible for them. What you are looking at right now is the workflow design layer, the engine room of the platform. Here, the source is defined. The account, the connected folder, or the shared inbox where your invoices arrive and are stored. Whether it is Google Drive, a shared network drive, or any connected storage environment, you connect it once. From that point forward, the platform knows exactly where to look every single time the workflow runs. And here is the destination, the output file where every piece of processed, validated data will be delivered. You define the structure, the format, the sheet. The platform writes directly to it, consistently, automatically, without a single line of manual formatting in between. Set it up once. Let it run, at any volume, on any schedule, for as long as you need it to. Now this is Gosti, Mimasa AI's intelligent collaborative workspace, where your teams, your workflows, and your AI agents operate together in one unified environment. This is where execution happens. You just select the invoice processing workflow, instruction, and the workflow begins immediately. No configuration required at this stage, and the agent is already running. Now, watch this. This is the destination Google Sheet, populated live in real time. Every row appearing right now represents one invoice, fully processed, fully structured, and completely ready to use. Vendor details, invoice number, date, line items, tax components, totals, all extracted, all validated, delivered directly into the sheet without a single human touching the data in between. The agent flags discrepancies instantly for human review, while everything else flows through clean, structured, and ready for the next step. And that next step can be anywhere, because the output does not have to live in a spreadsheet. Once the data is ready, it moves directly into SAP S/4HANA, into Oracle, into Microsoft Dynamics, into any ERP, any database, or any downstream application your organization already runs on. No migration, no restructuring. Mimasa AI fits into your existing infrastructure and makes every part of it sharper. From hours of manual effort to a single command. From a process that drains your team to one that simply runs itself. Mimasa AI, the invoice processing intelligence. Intelligent agents. For the work that should never have been manual.